Okay, so you have your file in InDesign and you have all your pieces, all your links in there, everything's in and ready to go. You've pulled bleeds where bleeds need to be pulled. Obviously, I don't have any bleeds on this. That would just make sure your bleeds are pulled here. Oops. And make sure everything's in CMYK. And now I'm ready to package the file. And you could have all your cards in one file. That's absolutely fine. Or you can do 3 packages. You go to File, and then all the way down to Package. You do want to make sure that there's nothing red or in warning over here. That means all the links are correct. And you go to Package, and it's going to ask you. It's going to say there's 2 links. They're all there. Nothing's missing. It has a RGB color space, so I would have gone ahead and switched that to CMYK. This is just going through the same thing, and then you don't really have to do anything here. You would change that image to CMYK, and then you would come back into the file and then repackage. You're going to hit package now. It's going to say you need to save the file. Fine. It's going to ask you to save it again. It's fine. We're going to replace it. And it's going to ask you which PDF you want to replace it with. So this one, we're going to do the one with the crops and bleeds. So, because I've already made one like this, you can watch the video, the older video that I've sent you a while ago on how to do that, or you can follow the instructions from what we did in class. And then I hit package, and I just make sure fonts, links, any update linked graphic links in the package. I don't need the IDML, the InDesign markup language. I don't need that. I do want to include a PDF, and I don't need use documentation hyphenation, right? I just everything's checked except use document hyphenation exceptions only and include IDML. Then I'm just going to choose the right PDF, and I'm going to hit package. Now it's just going to give you this saying that you're not allowed to copy or redistribute fonts, which is fine. You're going to hit OK. And then you're going to get, from that file, you're going to take that file that is properly placed or wherever you had it. Let's see, it's right here. This whole thing is right here. And I can right click on it or hit Control and then hit compress. And now it's going to make a zipped file, and that zipped file is what I actually add in my drive. So on the Google Drive, I go to the class. Here I go to the pattern card, project 2, and this is just going to be the final. So I'm literally it's super easy to do this. I'm just going to grab this zipped file and pull it over. And that's it. Now, if you have all of them done in one file, you just do it once. If you have to do 3 files, then you do it 3 times. Just make sure your title changes. And that's it. So I would go ahead and change this so that let's see, I'm going to rename this file as Gibbs example and, card 1 if I had 3 cards or whatever. Okay, but you could put it all in one. Hope that makes sense.